So guys, we're here with Matt and Andrea. They came out to check out the races. So hopefully I won't let them down, and we'll be going. They actually won the Can of Boussaint, but Matt chose to give it off to somebody else who actually wanted to use it for his particular vehicle. And we'll talk to that gentleman later tonight. He has a Corvette, and we're going to race him in his Corvette. So anyway, guys, let's get the racing. All right, so I'm here with, and what's your name?
Chance.
Chance, and can you tell us about your Duster here, Chance?
Yes, sir. It's 1973 Plymouth Duster. Had it since I was 14, about 9 years ago. Drove it to high school and back, and still driving it today. Got a small block Mopar 360.
Looking for a soul. Looking for a soul. Looking for a soul to steal. Looking for a soul to steal. Looking for a soul to steal.
We have an old school, what is this, Nova, SS Nova?
Dylan Case.
Oh man, another old school car. Can you tell us your name and about your car, sir?
I'm Dylan, and I have this 73 Nova here. It's got a 454 in it, turbo 350 trans, 373 gears in the rear end.
It's amazing to see these young guys with these old school cars. You know, this is when I was growing up. This is what we were running.
That's what our parents did.
Cars like this, yeah.
Yep,
We
and
grew
they
up
just got
together, and we're just keeping it going.
Nice, man. I'm loving it. All right. Well, can you tell us your name and a little bit about your car?
It's Phil Malazzo, and it's pure stock. It's off the showroom forward.
Okay.
Got nothing to it.
And what year model is it?
2017.
2017. And what is it?
Z06.
Z06. Good deal. Okay. Well, guys, here's our first 2017 Z06 that we're going to make an attempt to run if we can get lined up. Can you tell me what you like about the Z06?
It's the second one I've had, and you know, it's this is the latest L engine with 650 horsepower and 650 foot-pound torque, and it's just you know, it's a car that I've always liked. So,
And how much does it weigh?
about 3,300 pounds.
Okay. And you're running, I see you look like you're running your stock Michelins on it.
Sport Cup 2
Sport Cup.
tires.
Nice.
Looking for a soul to steal. Looking for a soul to steal. Looking for a soul to steal.
That demon! I'm out here with Todd and the Blue Goose.
This is Ric Flair.
Uh-oh, here we go,
this
guys.
car flies,
Okay,
guys.
so we got Ric Flair out here running tonight at the North Star. So let's see how Ric Flair runs.
It's a bad truck. I'll tell you that right now.
Todd said he runs a 5 or 4 seconds.
That pass right there was easily a low 5. I don't know if it was a 4 or not. Hard to tell. No time racer. He's a true street racer. That guy's a heavy hitter in the local scene here for the no prop races. He'll be out of Doomsday. In fact, I think he won Doomsday last year. I won Doomsday.
Blue Goose.
You're gonna have a hard time against the Blue Goose.
Well, you know, you told me what the Blue Goose runs, and
Well, I didn't tell you what the Blue Goose. The Blue Goose is actually not even running good tonight. But,
Okay.
but it's tough to beat, Carter.
All right, guys, I've had a couple opportunity to race my friend's Todd's Z06. It's called a Blue Goose. Guys, it's an amazing vehicle. This Corvette is just really, really fast. I mean, it pretty much stomps everybody out there. You know, it's modded, but last few times I raced it, it's red lighted. But I'll definitely get a chance to race Todd in his Blue Goose again. But man, he's always a great guy to hang out with and talk to. Very knowledgeable about cars and always willing to help. Anyway, I'll see Todd out on the track again, guys. You know what I'm doing, snatching souls. Peace.
Soul. Looking for a soul to steal. Looking for a soul to steal. Looking for a soul to steal.